Hi Kapips, thank you. Napaka tong event na to, napaka blessed lahat tayo sa mga nanonood. Pinagpala tayo at nakita natin tong enthronement ng ating Mama Mary or Lady of the Pillar. Biruin mo, after almost 100 years lang siya ulit nilabas, nagkaroon ng opportunity na bigyan ulit na kanyang festival in honor of, binubuhay ulit yung in honor of her name, ang ating mahal na ina, ang ina ng ating Panginoon. We're very, very lucky to be part of this. To be chosen as the Hermana and Hermana is more than a privilege. Napaka saya namin bilang overflowing joy, mixed emotions, hindi namin alam. Pero nakita nyo naman, sana nag-enjoy kayo, ma-experience nyo, mapanood nyo kung paano yung enthronement ng ating ina na in-officiate ng ating mahal na Archbishop ng Manila, ni Archbishop Advincula. Makikita nyo, andun sila General Nartates for an event to be officiated or by an Archbishop, especially Archbishop Advincula of the Archdiocese of Manila. Napaka-importante itong event na to. Very, very sacred. Ito yung start ng novena hanggang October 19. Pagdating po sa November 21 to be exact, officially i-declare na yung ating Minor Basilica Señora del Pilar. Minor Basilica na siya, official na siya. So we're very, very proud to be chosen as the Hermano at Hermana. Yun lang, makita natin siya after almost 100 years. Kasi alam mo ba yung Mama Mary na nandun? She's 406 years old.
Yes.
Galing pa siyang Spain. Originally from Spain. Kasi ang edad niya po ang church ng Santa Cruz. Very sentimental yung church. Kasi doon bininyagan ng aking ina. I'm very proud and very privileged, honored to be the Hermano and my wife the Hermana. Thank you Kapips for being there to witness firsthand yung aming itong araw na to. Until next episode po mga Kapips, maraming salamat po. Sana po nagustuhan nyo itong episode nito at na-enjoy nyo. Anyway, I love you mga Kapips. I love you. Good night.